Introducing the Customer Machine Engineering Team. Bringing together decades of experience and Perkins' world-class facilities, the Customer Machine Engineering Team works closely with customers to achieve the maximum value and performance out of your Perkins engine installation. Addressing your current challenges, the team helps to reduce the time, cost and burden of new product development. How can we help you? Using Perkins-led installation design, we engineer, develop and build your machine to Perkins-approved production standards, conducting pre- and post-engine installation machine performance testing and completing specialised machine testing, getting you the best performance from your machine, finishing with a technical report and machine handover. We believe in collaboration. It is at the heart of the Customer Machine Engineering Team offering. We actively encourage joint design workshops, ongoing project development, and regular project updates. By working together, we know we achieve better results. Let the Customer Machine Engineering Team help you realise your goals. Together, we achieve more.